Hello traders, welcome to Morix Trading Institute. In today's video we'll be doing analysis on XAU USD, and if this is your first time coming across this channel, on this channel we do analysis on the forex market, and I share with you my speculation, what I think about the market and what I look out for. Okay, so very quickly guys, this is the 4 hours time frame, and usually I will start from the weekly. Let's check what we have on the weekly. On the weekly time frame, we have an interesting structure which indicates price going bullish for quite some time, and we have the structure here that was broken. We have this breaker structure here, and then we have price retrace back to the order block that gave us a push to the upside. Okay, this candle right here, and then what other thing again, we could see the price after it broke structure went up, it came back to the origin that gave us a push up, and currently we are moving bullish. So let's check the 4 hours time frame to see what we have. So usually, like I said, I share with you my analysis, how I trade the forex market, and usually, like I said, I start from the top from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. That's top down analysis. Okay, so here we could see this is the weak rejection that tapped into the order block, and then we have price moving bullish. So we also have a breaker structure right here. Price broke the structure, and then so what are we expecting? But initially there was a breaker structure here. Can you see it? We have this breaker structure here, and then price came, retraced back into the order block. So this is the order block of the breaker structure. It tapped into it and we're going up. So what can we see right here? We have this order block here for this breaker structure. We have this very one here. We have this very one. So price tapped into it. You could no, price haven't tapped into it yet. So we are looking forward to see price, if possible, retrace back to this order block level here. Okay, we also have this break of structure here. Price broke the structure here. Okay, so price broke the structure and we retrace back into the order block that gave us the break of structure. Can you see it? This is the order block that gave us this break of structure. We tap into it, we went all the way up to this very resistance. This is too thick. Okay, let me change the color. Sorry, I prefer black. So we tap into the resistance, and then we are currently on a retracement again into the order block. Okay, so we're currently into the order block. So what can we see, guys? Now, are we coming down to this level here? Are we coming down here before going up, or we are likely to continue from this area here? So for me, I still have my belief that price is coming down to this order block here, tap into it, and then we have our bullish move. Okay, so this is 4 hours time frame. Let's check the 1 hour time frame to see what we have. So on the 1 hour time frame, we haven't gotten a confirmation for a buy just yet. Okay, you could see we're still trending bearish. There was no break of structure here at all. There's no break of structure here. So basically it means that we should keep watching to see if we have a valid confirmation, then we activate. So but for now, there's no need to execute any entry for a buy. And let's check what we have on the 15 minutes time frame. So basically still on the 15 minutes time frame, there is no confirmation just yet. So what do we have to do? We just need to sit back, watch, and wait for the market to do its thing and give us a confirmation. So guys, that is that for this analysis. Like I said, if you're new to this channel, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I may post out new videos. Thank you guys for watching, and do have a blessed day.